Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi Bandari and today I've got two of my students. I've got Srinidhi from the CS department and Sumant from IS, and both have cleared Vago Studio. So it's a good product company based out of Mangalore. So to both of you, what was the eligibility for Vago Studio?
It's like 6 CGPA and above. Yeah, that's it.
And branches were
yes,
CS and IS.
CS and IS. So no 10th, no 12th?
No.
Okay. And what was the designation?
Training software engineer.
Trainee software
There
engineer.
are three levels over there. Level 1, level 2, level 3.
Okay.
So level 1, 3 lakh, level 2, 4 lakh, level 5, 5 lakh, like that.
All right. So there's a range.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So what were the rounds?
First round was coding round,
Ah.
and based on our levels, if the level is one technical round. If the level is 2,
Yes.
there will be 2 technical rounds. If third level, 3 technical rounds.
All right. So did you have to opt in the beginning itself? I want level 1, level 2, or level 3, or based on your performance they?
Based on performance.
Okay. So right now you just applied.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. So level 1, what was the round?
Yes. Coding questions will be first round, like coding questions. 3 questions will be there and 3 hours for 3 coding questions. If we clear that round, there will be technical interview. In that they will ask.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Technical. No, but there was no aptitude.
No.
Okay, so you had
That
3.
was plus point.
Okay, that was a plus point. So what were the coding questions? Do you remember in the first round? Anything?
About
yes,
strings.
3 coding questions. In the first one was an array problem, and the remaining was 2 from strings.
Okay. And in array, what did they ask?
They have given one array
Uh-huh.
and also one element. Suppose an array consists of 1, 7, 6, 5, and they have given a number known as 10, and we have to find out like how we using that array we have to make that sum 10.
Okay.
How much possibilities are there, like 5 plus 5,
Uh-huh.
6 plus 4,
Okay.
so we have to find like that.
All right. And so was it common for both of you? I mean,
Yeah.
everyone?
Yes.
All right.
Common.
So that was the first one. What was the second question?
Second, like another question is like about strings. Like on substring will be there and on main string. So we should find the substring, like minimum substring in the main string, and we should print the length of that string.
Mhm.
Then another one is also string questions. I don't remember.
Do you remember, Srinidhi?
No, ma'am.
You don't remember. Okay.
It's little bit tough.
Tough. So did you both write all the 3 questions, or was it like
Yeah.
2.5 or something
No,
like
I
that?
have only cleared two
Oh,
questions.
only cleared. You didn't clear the third one.
Third
That's
one,
why you
third
don't
one,
remember.
yeah.
Okay.
Third one was
I
little
cleared
bit
partial.
Partially what?
Yes, last question.
The last one. So 2 you cleared and
Yeah.
1 was partial. All right. And so after the results came, how was it? Then you had to write another test.
Next round was the technical round.
Oh, interview.
Interviews.
Uh-huh.
There were 2 technical interviews because we have selected for level 2.
Okay.
So 2 technical interviews was there. Long lasted around 1.5 hours.
Okay. Each interview or both combined
No,
together?
no, combined together 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours. All right.
So in the first they asked like about what's OOPS concept, like encapsulation, and decryption, polymorphism,
Okay.
like that.
So these are definitions that they asked, or how is it?
A real life example and then an explanation. that's
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Then they asked about our project, like our 5th sem projects, like mobile application development and DBMS project. They have a little bit from our project, and also they have given 2 programs. Output they have given. We have to find out how that we have to write the code for that output. We have to display the code, and we have to display the code by sharing the screen.
Okay.
2 programs they were asked. Little bit
Tough.
Little
So do you remember the questions or no?
it's like I got the string, and we have to find out the how many steps is possible to turn that string into a palindrome.
Okay.
That was one of my questions. And the remaining I have to. I don't remember.
Okay. So this happened quite some time back. Yes.
Yeah.
And for you, how was the interview?
Like for me, I told about Flutter, so they asked more about Flutter and app development, that kind of. And Syed, Android.
Like what? What questions they were asking in Flutter?
Like how Flutter is different from Android Java development, like that kind of. Then there will be like in Flutter we can use Android and for iOS both we can develop in single shot. So how it is possible, like that questions will be asked.
Uh.
Then yeah, and I use Firebase, so they ask about Firebase and all.
Like what?
Yeah, like how you connected Firebase to a Flutter application. Then what is the difference between NoSQL, SQL, that and all.
Okay.
Then they asked one which programming questions. It is like pattern printing. Like one first line it should be 1.1. Next line it should be 2.22. Then 1.1, 2.22 like that. Third line it should be 22.2, then 33.3 like that. So yeah, and we should do it in C. That is one thing.
Okay, so mandatory you had to do it in C.
Yeah, in first round also it was like C or C++.
Okay. So you both knew C and C, all right. So that's the fundamental that everyone knows, right? Okay.
First year they'll teach.
Okay, and do you remember it later on also?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, all right. So then after that, what was it? I mean, questions. That's it. They asked about your project, or?
Yeah, about projects like Android project. Then other two projects is like file structure and database. They didn't ask much about them.
Okay.
They asked more about Android project and all.
Okay.
Because they are developing mobile games and applications. That is it.
All right.
And I remember one more question. Like, they have given
You have to be a little loud. Yeah.
They have given an output like 39421. It's like if the number is odd, we have to first print that number, then the square of that number, then decrement it. If the number is even, first we have to print the square first, then that number, and decrement it until up to 1. So that was little bit tricky question.
Okay. So these are the questions which come across, which you come across in your syllabus or in the labs, or
We'll self-study.
yeah. So, but they're not. This is not taught in the college.
It's taught. The fundamentals they
It's
taught.
teach, but these questions don't come in your exam.
No.
Okay, they don't ask. So, so how did you practice for this?
Like HackerRank, HackerEarth.
Geeks
Okay.
for geeks.
So which is better of the three? If someone has to choose HackerEarth, HackerRank, Geek for
I think
Geeks,
geeks for geeks.
Geeks for Geeks. Okay.
Depends on them.
Yeah.
If they're interested in anything, they can study from any these websites.
Okay. But it depends also on the
Yeah.
student what they like,
Yes.
right? Okay. But which is easier to for a beginner to start off? Which one would be better?
Hacker and
Yeah, there will be basics level, then hard level, like that.
In HackerRank.
and hacker and it's like
It
basics.
is
level.
basics. It's a more basic level.
Yes.
Okay. Then comes what after HackerRank?
After hacker and geeks for geeks.
Geeks for
Code
Geeks.
Chef is there.
Okay.
Then
HackerEarth.
hacker.
Okay. So so this is the sort of level of
Yes.
intensity in which it goes on increasing.
Yes,
All right. So any tips finally? And did you have an HR round?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
HR round was around half an hour.
Hmm.
They just asked about tell me yourself, your family members, tell me about your family, and how do you handle the pressure in a workspace.
How do you handle? You have not worked only.
Yeah, ma'am. I just told that I can handle by.
Yeah, that's okay. But then even in college, you do have a lot of pressures,
Yes,
the
during my
assignments and all that.
I have told
Yeah.
that I have done two projects with my team members, so I know like how the pressure will,
Yes,
so I can handle.
you can. So you've already used to handling pressure.
We went
All
for
right.
events and all.
Okay.
That will
During
be
our first year, we went for event.
So that helped you all.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Good. And so, so even for you, HR, what was it?
Yeah, they asked about family background, about myself. Then they asked technical questions of like about project and all. They also asked in HR. And there were 3 people in the HR. So one person after that, another person will ask
Okay.
questions like that. It was
Okay. So, like, was it scary when you see 3 people?
Yeah.
Or okay, for you
First
it
I
is
thought,
okay.
first I thought only one person will be there.
Okay.
And then I came to know that 3 persons.
3. So for you all, this was virtual or the final round was at the office?
No,
Yeah, virtual.
Virtual. Okay. So you've given all these virtual exam tests. So what do you feel? Virtual is easy or is it tough?
Yeah, virtual is easy.
Yeah. You all feel easy because you're sitting at home.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. All right. Okay. But actually, it's not easy because the rejection rates of virtual is higher than that of face to face. Because face to face, when I'm seeing you a little bit more, I can see your expressions more. I will give you more time. There and all, it is like on the screen, right? It's very limited. So that is a little challenging for many students if you're not comfortable facing the camera and on the screen. Okay. Any final tip for the juniors? Anything that you have to say how to prepare for a company?
Yes, ma'am. During my HR interview, they just viewed my GitHub profile.
Okay.
So they just asked about. I have done my portfolio website and 2 more other websites. So just asked about some questions related to that.
Okay.
So I think maintaining a good GitHub profile may increase your chance in your HR interview.
Okay. So they had already seen all that. Yeah. Okay. What about you?
And like project, like we should show them project like outputs of the projects which we did. If that is there, then that is a plus point. Like I did one project about blood bank, so I should show them the output of the blood bank app which I did. If that app is like output is there, then they are happy. Or else they don't know like whether I did or not.
Yeah. Yes. All right. So projects also, I think you should really work on your projects, not do it just for the sake of doing it. All right. So thank you both very much. By the way, what were your percentages? Because they are 60 percentage, right?
My GPA is 7.3.
7.3 GPA.
Mine is like 8.3. 8.13.
All right. Because many times students think, oh, just because they're asking 60% or 6.75 CGPA, anyone with that may get in. It's not that. I mean, of course, you can also with that percentage, but we've always seen that, the selection rate is more with people with a higher percentage. Maybe because you studied more and, earned those marks because it's you worked hard for that, right? So always try to maintain a good aggregate. Good aggregate also reflects better academic performance, all right? So I think more or less people would get an idea about this company based on the interviews. So thank you very much, Srinidhi and Sumant. Yeah, thanks very much. Till we meet again.